Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So are you curious if Whop accepts cryptocurrency payments or not? You're on the right video, so let's get right into it. So Whop offers a variety of payment methods to cater to different preferences. These include your credit cards using a Visa, MasterCard, or other major credit card. You can also use Google Pay or Apple Pay. And lastly, you can also use cryptocurrency. Yes, Whop does accept cryptocurrency payments, providing flexibility for crypto enthusiasts. To make a payment using cryptocurrency on Whop, select your product, basically browse Whop's marketplace and choose the product you wish to purchase. Now proceed to the checkout. Click on the checkout option to review your order. Choose payment method. At the payment screen, select the cryptocurrency option. Now enter the payment details. You provide the necessary details such as your crypto wallet address and the amount. Now confirm and complete the payment. Using cryptocurrency for payments on Whop comes with several advantages. As it is quick, the security is really good, and regarding privacy, it's really great. So while paying with cryptocurrency is convenient, keep the following in mind. There might be some transactional fees. It has volatility, meaning your values can fluctuate. Ensure you're comfortable with your current value at the time of payment. And also the processing times is generally fast, but some transactions may require additional time for confirmation. And with that, I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.